Okay, welcome to the Macedon Ranges. It's cold today, but fortunately it won't take long. We're going to install a GateKeeper. First thing we need to do is determine where the base needs to be mounted. Use the base plate as a guide to find where the hole for this cable needs to be. We're going to throw the cable through the hole where the GateKeeper will be mounted. The next step is mounting the base plate. Just make sure when you're mounting the base plate, just mount the top one first, so that you can adjust the left and right for your level. This is a carbon fiber reinforced plastic, so it's nice and tough. We'll just make sure when we fix the GateKeeper onto it, it's not easy to take off. Somebody is not supposed to, of course. So the GateKeeper comes fully pre-configured out of the box. So there's no Bluetooth connection, laptop plug-in, or anything required as the installer to do with this device. We also, as Pixel Grease, pre-configure the device with your end user or the customer, with whatever property it's being installed at. You may connect it to an automatic gate or a electric strike, magnetic lock, whatever you're connecting it to. Turn it over and you'll see a weather seal on the back. This is important to make sure that water doesn't seep up into this connection here and cause corrosion. So first thing, don't forget, we're going to put this weather seal on. I have on occasion connected the weather seal and had to redo it because I forgot to put it on first, so don't forget that. I'm going to pull out the 4-pin plug from the bottom here. That has labeled for ground and positive. That's going to be DC between 8 and 30 volts. Of course, make sure that the power is turned off before you plug it in. Just make sure we don't have any short circuits. Next we have the switches, so channel 1 and 2. Most times you probably only use channel 1, but if you want a pedestrian mode, or depending on the operations available on your automatic gate, roller door, etc., you may use both channels. Make sure they're well secured. Okay. And with that, we're going to reconnect this to the bottom of the GateKeeper where we pulled it out just before. And push the weather seal over the top. It has an arrow indicating which way the weather seal needs to go up, just to protect from any rain getting up in. So then we're going to firmly push it onto the base plate. Make sure my weather seal is aligned. Kind of feel it click into place, which is firmly in place. So we're going to place the security screw in the bottom. Make sure this goes all the way up until it's firmly seated. And place this little cover strip over that. Okay, now we're ready to turn on the device. looks like I haven't got this weather strip is not fit properly into the hole. That will happen when the screw is not properly seated. So we need to make sure that it's screwed in correctly. So if you go to do the install and it looks like it's hanging out a little bit, just make sure that this screw is properly secured. Should be quite firm. Yeah. That's better. This flashing light means the device is initiating, getting connected. It'll take about 5 minutes for the 4G connection to fully initialize, at which point the blue ring will go solid. Sometimes it's quicker, like today, it only took about a minute, but good idea to wait 5 minutes after it's been plugged in just to make sure that it's fully started up, it's negotiated its connections well, and we're ready to test. The client should already have the app on their phone ready to go. So with the solid blue ring, we'll push the button and a video call will go through to the client's device.